All right, check 1, 2, 3. Everybody, we're getting ready to land VFR here at Red Deer Airport. We're clear the left-hand runway.
Get out there, plan exit out.
Runway 17.
Clear to land runway 17.
There's the airport right there, by the way. And it's a beautifully kind of bumpy, sunny, hot day. So, yeah, this should be fun.
And for those of you wondering, this is what the airport diagram looks like. Nice, long, hot and juicy runway here. And we're going to be flying a left-hand downwind, joining base, and then joining final for runway 17. And we're probably going to do a land longing because, a long landing because we're going to exit here at the end, taxiway Bravo.
Right here, Tower, it's Echo Alpha. We're just joining the downwind here we'll be at 4,000 here momentarily. For left-hand, runway 17.
Here, Alpha, Tower number 2, following Cessna. About a half mile final.
Roger that, number 2, we got the traffic, Sierra Alpha. Alright, so number 2, and then you see that traffic, you won't be able to see it on the video, but he's short final here right now. Okay, we're going to add a touch of power, and we got to be below 175 knots before we start throwing out the gear and the flaps. So we're just going to slow up a little bit more. One stage of flaps coming in. And we want to make sure our circuits are nice and square. Our traffic that we're watching there is short final now, and we want to maintain about 3,900 feet. We're going to add a touch of power. We're about 140 knots now, and I'm going to get the landing gear down. Landing gear's coming down, 2 lights, and we got 3 green. None of the mirror mixtures, props, and switches are all good. Throw on our taxi light, and looks like that airplane's about to touch down. Add a little bit more power. And we're just past the runway threshold. And in this turboprop, you want to give yourself a decent amount of space because it is faster airplane, so you got to take that into consideration. And we're going to make a nice turn here.
Golf Mike was still Tower, stay or downwind, I'll call your base.
Alright, here we go. And Red Deer Tower, Sierra Alpha, we're in the turn here for base now, Sierra Alpha.
Check Alpha, Tower number 1.
Beautiful. Okay, let's bring that power back a little bit.
Stay or downwind, I'll call your base.
We're going to try to make this as square as possible.
Mike Visual Tower, extend down when you call base. This could be a full stop for us. We're flying X Bravo.
Okay, looking good, looking good. Alright, that looks good. Looks nice and square. And we should be about 500 feet above the ground here, which we are about 650 right now. So this is looking pretty good. Add a little trim here.
Bravo,
and we'll start this turn here. Let's do one more notch of flaps. We're going to land with 30 degrees.
Skywinds, monitor ground 1 off, Yankee Hotel Alpha.
Alright, 120 knots.
500.
And Foxtrot Sierra Alpha, Tower, traffic on the runway will be exiting Bravo, plan X Bravo as well, wind 1706, clear to land runway 17.
Clear to land runway 17, Sierra Alpha. Alright, we got 3 red, 1 white. Belts, brakes, gear, 3 green on the mirror, mixers, props, and switches are all good. We did our pre-landing checks on the descent here. Gear, props, flaps are set, and we are clear to land. The traffic is off the runway. Alright, we're going to slow her up here a little bit. Oh yeah, she's bumpy. Woo! Alright. Should we clear all the...
Got traffic, short final on site.
Mike was still Tower, Roger.
Alright, gear, props, flaps, runway's cleared.
Sorry, half more miles, and then turn facing ready.
Alright, we're just going to keep that power on here.
Roger, Mike with you. Half mile down, that's okay.
Oh yeah, she's a little bit of that heat. We're just going to fly it down because we're going to exit at the end here, so... Oh, let's see if we can make this silky smooth. Oh, kind of. Yeah, I like that. That was good. Did a little bit of a crosswind landing there without the crosswind.
And Sierra Alpha, Tower 3, just parking on the main apron.
That's affirmative, Sierra Echo Alpha.
Sierra Alpha, Tower, exit Bravo, taxi main apron, monitor ground 12910.
Alright, that's exit Bravo, monitor 1219 to the apron, Sierra Echo Alpha.
Julia Romeo Oscar Tower, at Alpha, line wait, runway 17.
Oh yeah, so I had, had the wind corrections was actually coming the opposite way here, so incorrect wind corrections. I wasn't correcting for wind, but that was the net result. Was actually we touched down on the right wheel first slightly and then the left, but at this end of the runway we do have a little bit of a crosswind from the left, so it felt a little weird, but still silky smooth. I'd give that an 8 out of 10 actually. Nice and easy on this turn here. Ground at Sierra Alpha, we're off the runway here now.
Foxtrot Sierra Alpha, ground rider. Foxtrot to the Romeo Oscar Tower, right-hand circuit, wind 160 at 4, at Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 17.
2103. Okay, we're going to park right next to this Cessna Conquest 2 here. Beautiful airplane. Difference between Conquest 1 and Conquest 2 is Conquest 2 has Garrett's slightly stretched cabin, faster airplane. But great airplane. Both are great airplanes. Because the wind is coming this way, we want to turn into the wind this way here when we park. So we're just going to turn around right here. Oh yeah, right in front of the tower. Make sure we don't hit anything. Number one rule, don't hit anything with the airplane. That looks good right there. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. We're going to do the shutdown. Temperatures are good.